Hello guys! In this video, I am going to take on a 30-day challenge to create Shorts channel using both human and AI methods. Everyone is talking about faceless AI YouTube channels. When someone thinks about starting a YouTube channel, the first thing that comes to mind is an AI faceless channel. The demand for these channels is increasing every day. So, I decided to make a challenge video in which we're comparing an AI-generated YouTube Shorts channel with a human-created one to see which one is more productive right now. Keep watching to find out which channel gains more views and subscribers. If you're thinking about starting a faceless YouTube channel or already have one, this video is for you. Don't skip it. I assure you this video is really interesting and full of knowledge. After watching, you'll be able to compare which is more useful to create these days. Let's start the video. First, let's talk about our AI-generated channel. I chose the mythical creatures niche because it's interesting and unique. Mythical creatures are imaginary beings from stories and legends, like dragons or unicorns. I created a brand new channel. For the channel name, I used ChatGPT, a fantastic AI tool for writing content. I asked it for 20 suggestions for a YouTube channel name related to mythical creatures. After pressing enter, it gave me 20 names, and I chose the first one because it seemed interesting. I pressed create new channel, wrote the channel name Mythical Visions, and a username, then pressed enter. Next, for the channel profile and banner, I used Canva. Canva has many design features and templates, so you don't need to be an expert. I clicked the logo option, typed the logo name in the search bar, and chose a logo. After that, I made a banner for the channel. I generated a description of the channel using ChatGPT. Then, I uploaded the logo, banner, and pasted the description. Our channel is ready. Now it's time to upload the first video on the channel. Using AI tools, we generated scripts, images, and even voiceover. First, I went to ChatGPT and asked for ideas about mythical creatures. I chose unicorns. Then, I asked ChatGPT to write a short 1-minute script about unicorns. It gave me scenes, but I asked for just a paragraph instead. Next, I asked ChatGPT for AI image prompts for the script. I used 𝐂𝐸𝐿, an amazing AI tool, to generate high-quality images. I copied the prompt from ChatGPT and pasted it into 𝐂𝐸𝐿's search bar, generating multiple images one by one. For the voiceover, I used 11 Labs. I pasted the script into 11 Labs and chose a suitable voice. For video editing, I used CapCut, a wonderful free video editing tool. Let's see our first video.
Welcome to the magical world of unicorns. Unicorns have fascinated people for centuries with their single spiraling horn, symbolizing purity and magic. Ancient myths believed unicorns had healing powers.
I uploaded 30 shorts videos of mythical creatures in 30 days. Now, let's check the results, how many views and subscribers we gained, and whether our channel is monetized. But before that, let's talk about the human-created channel. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and comment down below to encourage me to keep making more helpful videos for you. For the human channel, I chose the bottle crushing niche because these shorts are viral nowadays, where people crush bottles in creative ways. First, I made a new channel and uploaded a video like this. I uploaded 30 shorts videos in 30 days, shooting them with my mobile camera. I did everything manually, without using any AI software. After 30 days, I was shocked by the results. I made this channel in July 2024 and got 504 subscribers and 109,000 views. I was amazed. But the real joy came when I saw the AI-created channel analytics. It got 752 subscribers and 784 hours of watch time. The results are amazing. The AI channel got more views and subscribers. If I continue uploading shorts on this channel, I can monetize it very soon. But I made this channel only for educational purposes and to show you which channel gets more views and subscribers. So, the AI channel wins the competition. If you make an AI automation channel in 2024, you will definitely succeed. You don't need heavy cameras and high-quality mics. All you need is a mobile or laptop and a good internet connection. You can also make thousands of dollars by just making AI faceless videos. I upload videos on my channel to make faceless channels in different niches. Just watch it, link in the description. Also, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification to see these amazing videos. Bye, see you in the next video.
Welcome to the magical world of unicorns. Unicorns have fascinated people for centuries with their single spiraling horn, symbolizing purity and magic. Ancient myths believed unicorns had healing powers, with their horn able to neutralize poisons and cure illnesses. In medieval times, unicorns were depicted in art and literature as rare and majestic creatures, thought to be found only by the pure-hearted. Today, unicorns still captivate our imaginations, appearing in movies and merchandise. They remind us that magic and wonder are always within reach. So, whether you're a dreamer or a believer, keep an eye out for a touch of unicorn magic in your life.